Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to easily remove your crosshair in CS2. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the developer console enabled. If it isn't, go to the settings, navigate to the game tab, scroll up until you see enable developer console. Set it to yes. Once the console is enabled, open it by pressing the tilde key on your keyboard. Then type the following command: cl_crosshair alpha 0. Now after you press enter, you'll notice your crosshair disappears completely. If you want to bring your crosshair back, open the console again and type cl_crosshair alpha 255. This will restore your crosshair to its original setting. So that's basically it.